Here are three phrases that capture the heart and soul of healthy communication. My husband loves saying these to me, and I love hearing them, and I love thinking about them. And here's what they are: say what you mean what you say, and don't say it mean. So I want to kind of take that apart a little bit. I'm Ken Page. I'm a psychotherapist. I'm the author of the best-selling book, Deeper Dating, and the host of the Deeper Dating podcast. So say what you mean. That's like kind of digging down and thinking, what really is my truth? What is the truth that what really speaks me about this? And then mean what you say. Don't say things for control. Don't say them for manipulation. If you say them, make sure it's things that you really mean and you're not just saying it for effect. And then finally, don't say it mean, which is a beautiful, beautiful one. Like, okay, how can I take all of these truths that I've just thought about and say it kindly, say it in a way that honors and sees the other person? And I need help with all of these. And my husband is one really great help, and I have other people that are great helps too. But I need help to live those because they're challenging and they're rich, and a little bit of guidance from someone who knows you and loves you makes so much difference in a difficult, challenging situation. So let me know your experience with these and what they're like for you when you use them and you work with them. And also, just to let you know that this Sunday, I'm offering a free Zoom class on Deeper Dating, the path to richer, deeper intimacy. And you can click the link below to join for free. So thank you, and I hope to see you there.